Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we are making chicken and beef light soup, and also some salmon will be added later. The beef and the chicken has already been washed, and we are going to add some water and season it with some garlic and ginger powder, some chicken seasoning, some salt, some white and black pepper, and then we go ahead to also add some Maggie cube. Yes, just a little. Just now all we are going to do is just to cover this, and then we'll bring it to a boil. Yes, you want to stir it properly so that everything makes very well. You want every meat to just have everything in it. Okay, it should just soak in its juice, and then we cover this and bring it to a boil while it's steam. So while this is on fire, we are just going ahead to wash our vegetables, which you can see here that are tomato, onions, and some pepper. Okay, if you want your soup very hot, then you can add some more pepper. If you do not want it to be hot, then maybe you can also as well reduce the pepper or add some more tomato. Yes, we just add this to the already seasoned beef and chicken. Okay, just as you see, we are just adding this to it, and then we go ahead to cover this and leave it to simmer while we work on our tomato paste. Yes, we want some tomato paste for some extra color. Okay, so everything will just be listed in the description. All the ingredients used there will be listed in the description, and this too, you can add the pepper, the tomato paste, the salt, and everything just to your preference. Okay, and you want to mix this thoroughly so you clear all the lumps from it, and we go back to our beef and we just pour this mixture on it. Yes, we pour it into it because we want the tomato paste to be cooked, so we want to use this as early as we can so it can boil together with everything while it's cooked properly. Okay, yes, you don't want to have any taste of or any feel of tomato paste in your soup even though you've added some. And these are our smoked mackerel and salmon. Yes, so all I love to do always is to just peel off the skin. Yes, and then divide it and also take the bone from it. Just that, and you wash it thoroughly. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and thank you so much for watching. If you are a returning subscriber, you are once again welcome, and please do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon so you do not miss any video I post in the future. Okay, yes, now that we have this, look at this beauty. Look at how beautiful our soup is looking. You just have to take the tomato and the other vegetables that we added to the soup to boil, okay, to pre-cook it, and then we are going to set this aside to cool. But let me add that I added some garlic and extra onions to this because I realized they were not enough for me and they were not going to make my soup taste so great, so I added some extra ones. So yes, like I said, all the ingredients will be in the description, so you can read that for everything you need. After we blended this, we just went ahead to put it into the soup. We stir everything and then we cover it halfway to boil. Okay, just like this, and you're good to go. Now let's come back and introduce some yellow pepper. This gave it some extra flavor, and we introduced the salmon and the mackerel as well. It gives it some extra flavor and also some extra heat. Okay, if you want extra heat, just add, and we added some Maggie cube. Yes, make sure you taste it. If the salt is just to your preference, then you do not have to worry about maybe adding some Maggie cube or extra salt to this. Let's leave this to boil for a few minutes, and our soup is just ready to be served. You can enjoy this with bangkong, but I enjoyed it with